To remove the hard drive from the PC, first remove the rear cover. Loosen the captive Phillips No. 2 screw for the hard drive cage. Grasp the handle at the side of the hard drive cage and pull the hard drive cage out to the side, then up and out of the PC. If replacing the hard drive, detach the 4 Phillips No. 2 screws on the sides of the hard drive cage for the 3.5-inch drive or 2.5-inch drive tray. Slide the drive or drive tray out of the cage. If replacing a 2.5-inch drive, use a slender-barreled screwdriver to detach the 4 Phillips No. 2 head screws, securing the 2.5-inch drive to its tray. Slide the drive out of the tray. To replace the 2.5-inch hard drive into its tray, slide the drive into the tray with the label side towards the open side of the cage until the connector ends of the tray and the drive are secure. Attach the drive to the tray with 4 Phillips No. 2 screws. Before installing any hard drive in the cage, make sure there is a rubber grommet in each side hole of the drive cage. Install a new grommet into any hole missing a grommet. To replace the hard drive or hard drive tray in the cage, slide the drive or the tray into the cage until the screw holes on the side of the drive or drive tray and the cage align. Replace the 4 Phillips No. 2 screws to secure the hard drive to the cage. The hard drive cage has 4 slots on the bottom that slide under 4 tabs on the middle frame of the PC. To replace the hard drive cage into the PC, place the slots on the cage near their tabs, then slide the cage in sideways until secure. A stencil of an arrow on the hard drive cage should line up with a stencil of a locked padlock on the middle frame when the cage is correctly installed. Tighten the Phillips No. 2 screw to secure the hard drive in the PC.